Hello, we are back for more Pride Month, and I'm super excited to be doing the bisexual flag today. And I even got like fun little stickers for it. Cause the look that I want to do, it's like I should just get the stickers, which I like went to a few different dollar stores to get and couldn't find any. So I had to order these from Amazon. Also, when I drew it up, I didn't realize that I could get stars that had nothing in the middle. So now I don't know if I want to use like the empty stars or the full stars. Like, I'm not sure. Do you know what? We're gonna use both. We're gonna use both. So I already got my base done. I'm gonna take the biggest sticker, star sticker. Wait a second. They're not cut out. They have a film in the middle. Damn it. I thought of a super cool idea too. I can still do it. Yeah, this is fine. Yeah, I don't want... That size is too big, so let's go with like this size? Yeah. Alright, so I'm gonna take this star and just kind of stick it to the side of my eye here. And I'm gonna do the same on the other side. Alright, so then I'm gonna go in with the blue. And I'm gonna tap that around the star. You guys don't know, the bisexual pride flag is this flag here. So we got blue, pink, and purple, which are all so pretty together. So this is gonna look great with the makeup. All right, so now I'm gonna go in with a pink. This is very bright. And I'm gonna tap that into the blue. And just tapping that kind of on the edge of the blue and outwards. And I'm gonna kind of blend the blue in with the pink just a little bit because I don't want to make it a muddy purple. And I'm gonna take this off. Bam! Going in with one of the smaller star stickers. I'm gonna put that right in the inner corner here. And on the inner corner, I'm going to take a little bit of purple and tap that over there. Okay, and then I'm gonna remove the stickers here. And I kind of want to soften the pink around the stars here. So I'm just gonna see if I can blend it out a bit more with a lighter pink. Just to soften it, because it is looking a little harsh. I'm loving this though, because it looks so good. If I had like a trillion different I want to just take a bunch of different sticker shapes and stick them to my face and then do things like this. And then I also want to try it with like those stamps. I just want to put a bunch of stamps on my face. I ordered the stamps once and they just didn't come, so I got my refund and didn't order them again, which I should have. I could try cool stampy makeup look. This side got a little too blendy together, so it's kind of purple in spots. But it still looks pretty dope. I'm gonna go in with the shimmery purple eyeshadow, which I usually just use as like a highlighter. And I'm just tapping that on my lid. And I'm also gonna put some of the glitter inside of the star. I don't want to put it on the one in my inner corner just because that's too close to me probably getting it in my eye. I'm putting like the bulk of it in the middle and then just kind of trying to blend it out a bit. Now, for lashes, I could just go with the normal black, but I have like these pink lashes that I pretty much never use. I think I wore them like once, and I don't know. I'm gonna see how they look with this look, and maybe I'll wear the pink because they're like very pink. Like, look at those. They're so pretty. Just gonna see if this is the vibe. Yeah, you know, fuck it. We're gonna go with pink lashes. I wish, and I haven't looked. This brand, Crystal Lashes, they probably do, but I kind of, and they probably don't. I don't know. I haven't looked. But I want them to make pride lashes in like all of the flags. That would be dope. To design my makeup around that. Before I put the lashes on, I kind of want to put like a star in my eyebrow. But I don't want to fuck it up. I did that before and I did mess it up. Yeah, for right now I'm gonna kind of like wipe away the makeup that I have in my eyebrow slit, because eyebrow slit, that's vibe. That's very vibe. Alright, pink lashes all the way. I probably should have like painted my eyelashes pink first, because now they look kind of funny. Okay. Yeah, so I already have this on, but like I'm gonna fix it up a little bit by making the eyelashes underneath kind of pink. And maybe adding like some pink liner. Okay, so I have this like hot pink water activated eyeliner. I do not have hot pink mascara, so do not at me. Taking a bit of the water activated eyeliner and just like brushing it on to the eyelashes underneath. Yeah, this would have been a lot easier to do if I did it, you know, before I put the lashes on, but I thought it would look fine. Yeah, so that eye definitely looks better. I also kind of want to do like the under eyelashes pink. All right, and this is the look. This is the look. If I had blue lipstick, which I don't think I have anymore, I'd pop some of that on. Yeah, I do not have that. So we're just gonna go with like a red lip gloss. Make my lips look a little pinkier, a little glossy, a little ear. All right, there we go. I am now completely done the look. I hope you guys like it. I love it. I'm like, it's so cute. It's so cute. Especially my pink lashes. Look at those pink bottom lashes. So cute. Pink upper lashes. Little purple freaking stars on my inner corner. It's so cute. I love it. I hope that you guys like the spy look. You could even just like do black lashes, but I really want to have more reasons to wear my colored lashes. If I have this color, I have like a greeny blue color, and I have red. I like my blue ones the most, but I don't know where I put them. Oh, you know what? Anyway, I hope you like it. Shout out to the Bi Babes. It's like women, right? Like, you get the best of both worlds being bi. You get women who are gorgeous, and then you have Satoru Gojo. But thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate you, and I hope you guys are having an awesome Pride Month. I will see you next time. Bye.